Hello viewers, moving on to the next question in the series of GATE 2029 vectorial linear solutions from subject general aptitude. In this video we are covering the solution of question number 3, 1 mark MCQ type from basically linear equations and graphs. So it's given in the question the relationship between two variables x and y is given by this equation x plus py plus q equal to 0 and is shown in the figure graphically. Find the values of p and q. This is the graph given as you can see. And the options are given as p equal to minus half q2, p2, q minus 2, p half q4 and p2, q4. So let's move on to solution to this question. Pretty simple question actually. Let's discuss the solution. Solution is very simple. We have to first find the equation of the straight line. So basically we can find the slope of the straight line first. Slope means delta y by delta x. Delta y is 4, delta x is 2. And write this 4 minus 0 and 0 minus 2. Right? 4 minus 0, 0 minus 2. So it will be 4 by 2 basically. So it will be 2. Slope of this straight line is 2. And the y-intercept is what? When x equal to 0, what is the value of y? So y-intercept is basically 4. This point. So what we already know the equation of straight line? Y equal to mx plus c. Putting in the values of slope and y-intercept, we get y equal to 2x plus 4. Right? Now what we will do? We will divide the equation by 2 because the coefficient of x in the original equation is 1. So y by 2 becomes equal to x plus 2. Now we transpose and take y by 2 to that side, RHS. So we get x minus y by 2 plus 2 equal to 0. Now below that we write the given equation. This is x plus py plus q equal to 0. Now what you need to do, you need to compare the coefficients of y and the constant term. Coefficient of y in the first equation is minus half. And the coefficient of y in the second equation is p. So p is equal to minus half. Now here we get what? P equal to minus half. And constant term is q here and 2 here. So q equal to 2. Since it represents the same equation of the straight line, the same straight line, so it will be p equal to minus half and q will equal to 2. So correct answer for this question is option A. Very simply we have solved it by writing the equation of the straight line, by finding the slope and the y-intercept and then comparing it with the given equation. Find the values of p and q. I hope the solution is clear. If you still have any doubts or queries, please feel free to ask in the comments. And that's all for solution to this simple question based on linear graphs and straight line.